always put a picture or something afterwards, so
Okay.
not a problem. Okay, so name the area of this spinal cord the cell body was in. It was anterior gray horn. The indentation here is the anterior median fissure.
I was having such a hard time with those. I don't know why.
No worries. It's all right. That's why I can never do it. So it's a good thing I never had phones. Number 3, name the structure. It's the dorsal root ganglion. 4, the area that the pointer is in is the lateral white column. 5 is lateral gray horn. Okay, 6, the hole's the central canal. And the meninx at number 7 is the pia mater. Number 8, the plexus is the brachial plexus. Cervical plexus is up here. And the spinal nerve at 9 is the sciatic nerve. And the nerves here where there's no plexus are the thoracic nerves or intercostal nerves. Yes. 11, the V-shaped tip of the spinal cord is the conus medullaris. 12, horse's tail is the cauda equine. 13, the nerve here is the femoral nerve. It's a part of the lumbar plexus. And 14, on the posterior of the brain, there's the cerebellum. This worm-like portion is the vermis. 15, the cell is the Schwann cell. It's a neuroglia. 16 is the dendrite of the neuron. And 17 is the neuron part of the PNS or CNS. It's part of the PNS, peripheral nervous system. Okay. 18, I think these were straight from your quiz. So 18 are the synaptic vesicles, neurotransmitters inside of them. 19, the whole model is the synaptic end bulb. 20 is the yellow colored neuron. And the question is it a motor, sensory, or interneuron? It's a sensory neuron. And 21, the orange color. The question is it bipolar, unipolar, or multipolar? It's a multipolar neuron. And this reflex arc is a polysynaptic reflex because the interneuron is there. Okay, the brain's getting a little bit dried out, sitting out for a while, but the structures are still visible. The white C at number 23 is the corpus callosum. 24, name this gland, is the pineal gland. 25, the white tree-like area, arbor vitae. 26, larger was a keyword there. Larger bump of the corpora quadrigemina, the superior colliculi. And 27, the cranial nerve or the bulb, proper term, is the olfactory bulb. If you said cranial nerve 1 or olfactory nerve, I'll take that. The hole, again, hole was a keyword. It's the pupil. And the pin at K, which was number 29, is the lens. Not completely clear because it was preserved. What number is the hypoglossal nerve? It's cranial nerve 12. The lobe of the brain that's yellow is the temporal lobe. And at the back of the brain, the occipital lobe, number 32. 33, the cranial nerve, that's number 35, is the abducens. This should be cranial nerve 6. Hopefully you said abducens. And 34, cranial nerve is actually number 34 on the model. You could use that model or this one. Either one is the trigeminal nerve. Okay, cranial nerve 5. Colored brain. The red gyrus is the primary motor area. Okay, if you said pre-central cortex, that would be fine. The blue area at number 36 is the primary somatosensory area. If you said post-central gyrus, that's great. 37, the sulcus in between the two is the central sulcus.
I didn't go last.
38, the clear covering here. This is the cornea. And 39 is number 10 on the kind of specimen that we have. Is the optic nerve. That optic nerve was much more visible, I think, than the other ones that we have in the dissections. 40, the retina slide. The pointers on the choroid, which is the kind of black colored area. There's melanocytes there, blood vessels. Nice. Okay, the eye model, 41, the peachy layer is the retina. And 42, even though 42 isn't pointing to where it should be for right now, so pointer fell, fortunately. 42 should be pointing here at number 14, and I totally need a manicure. Is the optic disc or the blind spot. .43 is the sclera, it's the white of the eye. 44, I hope that everyone told me cone, that's what I was looking for. It's a photoreceptor. Let's see, the ear. 45 is the external auditory canal. 46 is the cochlea. And 47, well, we've got the 3 auditory ossicles, the malleus, the incus, and the stape. So I'm asking for the incus. If you said anvil, I would take that too.
I put malleus.
That's the way I learned it a long time ago. 48 should be the cochlea slide, and the pointer should be on the hair cells. And 49, the inferior conchae. The papilla that make the V are the circumvallate papilla. If you said vallate, I would take that as well. So that's practical too. Hope everyone did well.